gotta get it out, Og. Can't leave it in, mate.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll.
No, Og. Don't know about you, Og, but I'm ready for me chip, sausage, egg and beans. Are you? What a lovely peacock. Lovely pink. Don't forget, we're going straight cafe. We're going straight cafe, Og. Sausage, egg, chips and beans. That's where we're going, mate. I'll know it when I sniff it. Is it this one? It is this one with it. It is. It's this one, I think. Isn't it? Yeah, it's got the chairs outside, yeah. Yeah. No, you remember random stuff, you do. I'm taking a full spot up, you prick. No, I'll get behind you. You're alright. I'm behind you, yeah. This is where we had it last time. Sausage, egg, chips and beans. It was beautiful. Let's see what it's like this time, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Yeah, I know what you're on about. Clear after this Mercedes, Og. Well, that was very nice, that was, Og. Another good meal, that was. It started. Look at that. And another. Oh God, Oggy. You will have to. I'll be getting winded for about the next half hour. That is the best sausage, egg, chips and beans I've had, you know. It is worth a run out, Og, that is. Just a quick little update, me and Oggy. Scenic route home, but also looking for a place to stop to have a wee and get bombarded with wasp in my helmet. This is wrong turn county, innit? Where you going, go? I fucking chose more open place. Pissed up done. There's my little wet patch there somewhere. Oh fucking hell. Fucking wobble on then I did. And on we go. Oh, got sweat on. If you want scenic all the way home, I'll pull over. I'll snap a little bit of fern off and stick it on visor. Okay, seen it. Yeah. Fucking Oggy wants to drop a pin every 5 miles. We'll run out of fuel before we get anywhere. Saying 2.5 hours, 2 hours 26 minutes to get home. 100 and odd mile. Busy down here now, isn't it? At least these roads are beautiful and smooth. Oh yeah, it's gone. Oh, it's changed. It's changed on a look. Shaking my beans and sausage up. Made up Calimoto special. Here we go. Okay. Oggy sniffed out a Calimoto special. Oggy's got a neutral. I did ill start in second gear then, I thought it was in first. Since I last turned you off, we've been riding for about half hour. And we've got the same amount of time to get home. Because Oggy's brought us a scenic route, as you can see. Which, see them hills over there? We're about 2 foot away from them, about half an hour ago. Now we're further away. We're further away, but this is a scenic route. Port Maddock. Yeah, we ended up going near Port Maddock. Told me a story about a dog. Yeah, bit of rock there. There, that's nice. Scenic. So yeah, I might have to let my family know where I am because I'll be getting wooded. Might have to do a bit of wild camping tonight. 2 hours 14 minutes to go. I was 2 hours fucking 15 about 40 minutes ago. Anyway, keep going on scenic route. Oggy's very confident. I'll turn you on if we get any scenery over and out, Roger. No, just got my camera on. Thought you left your indicator on. I just got my camera on because your indicator was on a bit longer. Thought I've got him here and you turned it off. Oh yeah, that's not that's not, oh you prick. No, I'm not, that's getting cut out. So, I'll just start now. Right, just turn my camera on. Just turn my camera on. Just missed Oggy. Left his indicator on a bit longer. Can't hear you, they can't hear you, mate. That's because I was that desperate to get you then. Anyway, 1 hour 56 minutes and my right foot's going dead. Scenic route. This is the scenic route now. That Oggy's give us. Scenic route. quick update. We're here near Bala. Just stopped for a fag and a rest because my house is at numb. Because I've already seen it right.
Toilet's down there, isn't it?
Yeah. The bike so you can see them. You see them, yeah. Oh, that's where we are. That's okay. Looking pleased with himself.
Days out riding, haven't we?
Yeah, I've had the days out riding, look. My arse is sore. Oh, okay. Oh, my little wrist is aching. Right. Nice little clean visor again. Oh, me little arse cheek. Right, I'm back. It's now 20 past 5. Done over 200 odd miles today. Oh, my wrist is killing. My wrist is killing. Been hard work today, I must admit. Come on. Enjoyed it. Been very nice. But yeah, it has been hard work.